Joe Perry from Theodore, Alabama. This is a 1967 Fairlane Ranchero, a one-year model that they made on the Fairlane body style for Rancheros. It's got the original 289 in it, been massaged pretty good, got aluminum heads on it, got the original C4 transmission, 9-inch rear end. Took 4 years to restore it and in 1997, so I've had it a pretty good while. When I come home from the service, seen one of these on the car lot. The highlight for me, it's a one-year model and it's a Fairlane Ranchero, which is pretty rare for this body style. And I think it's one of the best body styles that they come out with in that year. When I finally was able to buy one, this is one I found, needed restored. So that was it. When I come home from the services, and that's what I fell in love with it.